Hey, hello everyone, this is Rutik and it's our day 63 of Finding Job series. And first of all, welcome back. I am here for I think 3 days of break was there. It's due to my brother wedding and that's why I need to attend it. So yeah, we are here, we are back. So let's start our today's day. As usual, I woke up at 7. After that, I did some exercise, got ready and sat at my desk. Today I'll learn about the concept called the process, single thread, work thread and event loop. So let's start. Let me tell you what is process is. So when we execute any JavaScript code, it's not execute that code only. When we run the like app.js or anything, it's not running the code only. It's create the process. Process means instance of that program. Like if I hit Chrome 3 times, we get the 3 tabs. It's similar like that. So we get the instance of this tab, and it help us when if there we close any instance or any tab, it doesn't crash our website. So multiple instances are necessary due to this. And in process we have the JavaScript code, which we also called as a thread, and that thread will execute there. So we all know JavaScript is a single synchronous means single threaded language. Okay, so what is meant by single threaded? Single threaded means at a time it can execute one thread at a time, means one line at a time. So yeah, that's the single threaded language means. And due to this, one questions which comes in our mind, then if JavaScript is a single threaded language, then how it can manage the API calls, timers and all. Like if I use the timers and if I need to wait for 5 minutes and all, then it's all get stopped and like that. So how it's managed that? Okay, so at that time event loops comes in a picture. What is event loop? Event loop basically is a task manager, or it schedule the task using their priority. So how it's get idea of that this task has a more priority and this task has a low priority. So it has two queues, micro task queues and macro task queues, in which he store the all task. And if the task in micro task queue have the greater priority and the task in macro task queue have the lowest priority, and it send that task to the call stack and call stack execute it line by line. Okay, and there is another questions which comes in our mind, like if JavaScript is a single threaded language, then if I doing any big calculation or any big problem was there which is taking lots of time, then our UI get freeze, right? Then how we can manage that problem? So for that we have the worker thread. What worker thread are do? They do the execution parallelly behind. So for doing the execution parallelly, we are using the worker thread. That's why our main thread doesn't block. We are able to use that big tasks using the worker thread. So yeah, that's how worker thread will work. And yeah, this is the basic flow, like from process to threads to event loop to worker thread. And after that I move on to the DSA part, where I started about the greedy algorithm. I have today I only learn about their much about theory and solves I think one to two problems. Basically greedy algorithm is not any means not a special type of algorithm or anything. It's like an intuition which comes in your mind, like I want to solve this problem which using the better solution. I don't want future result, I don't want to think about future result at this moment, but currently I am focusing on the next better step. So this is how greedy algorithm work. After that I had my lunch, and then I move on to the my project part, where I am building the new project. I build it not completely, but the basic landing page and working model was created. So yeah, that was going pretty smooth. After that yeah, applied I think not more, I think two, three, four, five jobs maybe, and today I didn't get time to do communication session now, but after video I think I will do around 50 to 20 minutes with ChatGPT. Let's see. And I feel that's it for today's. Nothing else to share. I didn't get any call or any offer right now. I am still struggling, still finding the job, and let's see what happen in the future. Still then, have hopes and do what you want to do, and I think you need to do your task daily. That's it. That's the advice, and yeah, bye bye.